The invisible push and pull. What is force? Let's dive into the fascinating world of force. Have you ever pushed a door open or pulled a toy car? Congratulations, you've experienced force. It's something we encounter every day, often without even realizing it. Force is simply a push or a pull. It's what makes things move, stop, or change direction. Whether it's the gentle push of a breeze or the powerful pull of gravity, forces are constantly at work. Force is everywhere, even though we can't see it. It's the invisible hand that shapes our world, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Imagine the force of the wind pushing against your face, or the force of the earth pulling you down. Think about a game of tug of war. Each team pulls the rope, applying force. This simple game is a perfect example of how forces work in opposition. The team that applies more force wins. But it's not just about strength, it's also about technique and coordination. Understanding force helps us understand how the universe works. It's a fundamental concept in physics, the science of matter and energy. From the force that binds atoms together to the force that governs the motion of planets, force is a key player in the grand scheme of things. Different types of forces include gravitational force, electromagnetic force, and nuclear force. Each plays a unique role in the natural world. So next time you push a door or pull a toy, remember, you're interacting with one of the most fundamental aspects of our universe. Forces are all around us, shaping our daily lives in countless ways. Unmasking the mystery. A peek into the history of force. Long ago, people didn't understand force as we do today. They attributed natural phenomena to gods and spirits. Then came brilliant minds like Galileo Galilei and Isaac Newton. They used observation and experiments to unlock the secrets of motion and force. Newton's laws of motion, formulated in the 17th century, revolutionized our understanding. These laws explained how force, mass, and acceleration are related. Today, we continue to build upon their discoveries, exploring the universe with a deeper understanding of the forces that govern it. Force in our world. From throwing a ball to launching a rocket. Force is a fundamental concept that shapes our universe, influencing everything from the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies. Force is not just a concept confined to textbooks. It's the driving force behind countless everyday events. It's the invisible hand that moves objects, changes their direction, and alters their speed. When you throw a ball, you apply force to set it in motion. This simple act is a perfect example of how force works in our daily lives. The harder you throw, the greater the force, and the farther the ball travels. This principle is rooted in Newton's second law of motion, which states that force equals mass times acceleration. Force is also crucial in the animal kingdom. Animals rely on force for survival, whether it's hunting, escaping predators, or moving through their environment. A cheetah uses force to chase its prey, accelerating rapidly to catch its target. This incredible burst of speed is a testament to the power of muscular force. While a bird uses it to flap its wings and soar through the sky, the force generated by the flapping wings allows the bird to lift off the ground and navigate through the air. On a grander scale, rockets harness the immense force generated by burning fuel to overcome Earth's gravity and launch into space. This monumental force propels the rocket beyond our atmosphere, opening the door to exploration and discovery in the vast expanse of space. The two sides of force. When push comes to shove. While force is essential for life, it can also be destructive if not harnessed responsibly. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and hurricanes demonstrate the raw power of natural forces. These events remind us of nature's awesome power. Human activities can also have unintended consequences. Pollution and deforestation are stark reminders of the negative impact we can have on our planet. Understanding the dual nature of force is crucial. We must strive to utilize its benefits while mitigating its potential harms. Harnessing the power of force. Building a better future. Understanding force empowers us to create a brighter future. By harnessing its power, we can develop innovative solutions to global challenges. Engineers use their knowledge of force to design bridges, buildings, and other structures that can withstand immense stress and strain. Medical professionals utilize force in various applications, from setting broken bones to developing prosthetic limbs that restore mobility. By continuing to explore and understand force, we can unlock new possibilities and create a more sustainable and equitable world. Force and motion, an intimate dance. Force and motion are inseparable partners in the intricate dance of the cosmos. One cannot exist without the other. When a force acts upon an object, it can cause the object to start moving, stop moving, or change its direction of motion. Imagine a soccer ball at rest. A gentle tap will set it rolling, a strong kick will send it flying, and a sideways nudge will alter its trajectory. The relationship between force and motion is beautifully described by Newton's laws, providing a framework for understanding the dynamics of the universe. Gravity, the ultimate force field. Of all the forces in the universe, gravity is perhaps the most familiar and yet the most mysterious. It's the force that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground. Gravity is what holds the Earth in orbit around the Sun and governs the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies across the vast expanse of space. Despite its pervasiveness, gravity remains an enigma. Scientists are still trying to fully understand its nature and its role in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Unraveling the secrets of gravity could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and potentially unlock new frontiers in space exploration. Friction, the force that slows us down. While we often think of force as something that causes motion, friction is a force that opposes motion. It's the reason objects slow down and eventually come to a stop. Friction occurs when two surfaces rub against each other. The rougher the surfaces, the greater the friction. Try rubbing your hands together. You can feel the warmth generated by friction. Friction plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It allows us to walk, drive cars, and even light a match. Without friction, life as we know it would be impossible. Force and energy, two peas in a pod. Force and energy are intimately connected. When a force acts upon an object and causes it to move, energy is transferred or transformed. Energy is the capacity to do work, and work is done when a force moves an object over a distance. Think of pushing a heavy box across the floor. You are doing work, and energy is being expended. Understanding the relationship between force and energy is crucial in various fields, from designing efficient engines to developing renewable energy sources. Understanding force, a key to unlocking the universe. Force is the invisible hand that shapes our world and governs the cosmos. It is the unseen power that dictates the motion of planets, the formation of stars, and the behavior of galaxies. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, everything in the universe is subject to its influence. Forces act on every scale, binding atoms together to form molecules and pulling galaxies into clusters. By studying force, we gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. We uncover the principles that govern the motion of objects, the flow of energy, and the interactions between particles. We learn how things move, interact, and evolve over time. This knowledge is not just theoretical. It has practical applications that touch every aspect of our lives. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions, develop new technologies, and address some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. Engineers and scientists harness the principles of force to create everything from bridges and skyscrapers to spacecraft and medical devices. So, the next time you push a door open or feel the wind against your face, remember the invisible force at play and appreciate its profound impact on our lives and the universe we inhabit. Every action we take, every movement we make, is a testament to the fundamental forces that shape our existence.